Alright, if you're new to editing and you don't want to spend a dime, this is for you. I'm counting down my top 5 free video editors for beginners plus quick pros so you can pick the right one fast. Number 5, OpenShot. This is the simplest, most no-frills editor on the list. Drag and drop timeline, animated titles, keyframes, runs on Windows, Mac, Linux, pros, super lightweight, super easy, great for trimming. Basic cuts, simple titles, watchouts, it can feel limited once you want effects. Speed ramps, advanced color. Number 4, VN Video Editor. Think mobile first vibe, but the desktop app is surprisingly capable. Speed control, keyframes, filters, text styles that look modern out of the box. Pros, fast learning curve. Clean interface, great for shorts, TikToks, quick YouTube edits. Watchouts, fewer pro level tools, less precise audio control. Number 3, Shortcut, open source, feature rich and beginner friendly if you take an hour to explore. Supports tons of formats, solid filters, color correction, basic motion. Pros, cross-platform, no watermarks, powerful for free, strong community tutorials. Watchouts, utilitarian interface. Performance can vary on older machines. Number 2, CapCut Desktop. If you want speed and trendy effects with minimal setup, this is a cheat code. Auto captions, smart background removal, transitions, templates, decent color tools. Pros, insanely fast for social content. AI helpers, great text tools, solid audio effects. Watchouts, some features lean online. Advanced timeline control isn't as deep as Pro Suites. Number 1, DaVinci Resolve, free. This is the heavyweight, professional timeline, industry grade color grading, Fairlight for audio, Fusion for motion graphics. Pros, best in class color, scalable as your skills grow, plenty of tutorials. Watchouts, bigger learning curve, it likes a decent GPU. Quick picks, want the easiest start. OpenShot, VN, making shorts fast. CapCut, want free power with room to grow. Shortcut, aiming for pro quality long-term. Resolve, beginner tips so you don't get stuck. Start with one project, a 60 to 90 second clip. Learn cut, trim, text, music. Use 2 or 3 keyboard shortcut. Split, ripple, delete, undo. Game changers. Export presets are your friend. 1080p, 24 or 30 fps. High bitrate MP4. Keep audio simple, around 14 LUFS for YouTube. Voice above music. Add light compression if available. Final thought, the best editor is the one you'll actually open tomorrow. If you're overwhelmed, begin with CapCut or VN, then graduate to Shortcut or Resolve as you get comfortable.